Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Happy New Year, happy 2020. Hopefully everyone enjoyed their holidays and had a happy New Year. Today, I was just cleaning out the garage before work, and I decided to install the shift knob that I got. So this is by MPC Hardware and Honda Street Garage. They did a collab together. Only 50 of these were made. As you can see there. Maybe. Yep. 44 out of 50. So we're just going to be putting that in the Civic here. I'll check it out, do a little review on it. I know I really wanted it. I was waiting till the drop time. I was refreshing the page about 5 times to make sure that I got it. And luckily I did, because it sold out within, I think, 3 or 5 minutes, Mark said. So, we'll be doing that. I'll just be talking a little bit about my plans for 2020 with this channel and with the Civic here. So let's go. So overall, this shift knob is pretty small. It has a little bit of weight to it, not too bad. I did have an eBay one in here. I did sell to someone for like $10. So I just put the Integra one in here for now. So let's get this one off, get the Honda Street Garage one on, and just kind of see how it looks. Couldn't get a really good angle. Lost the part that mounts up to the bottom of my camera. It's somewhere in the house, so I had you on this little stand. So let's get a closer look at this. I really like how it looks. The Honda Street Garage right up front. It's a little smaller than I'm used to. It's a little smaller than I'm used to, but I like it. Like I said, it's Honda Street Garage, so I had to support him. And congrats, Mark, on hitting 100,000 subscribers. I'm really proud of you. So, overall, it's really nice. Now I just need to get a shifter for this car. Have one for the Integra. So that was a quick little install. Just wanted to get a video out for you guys. Try and get a little bit more videos out this year. That's one of my goals. I had 19 last year. And if you want to see a recap, I'll link the video down below. It's just a quick 6-minute video of all 19 videos. Just compiled together small clips going over what I did. But my car is a 95 Honda Civic, if you're new to this channel, with a B20 high compression motor, 1320 performance ram style headers, eBay intake tube with the NM engineering filter, half size radiator. This is how it sits, sitting on eBay springs right now. And last year I installed a HKS high power exhaust. Like I said, if you want just a quick overview of what I did last year, the link for the video recap will be down in the description below. So now, let's look at what 2020 is going to bring us. So some of the videos coming up will be finishing up the battery relocation. Got the wire cut and the ends crimped. So this small piece is to the battery and to my fuse, and the rest will go to the front of the car. Got a D&D steering wheel for my birthday. That'll be coming up soon because I really want to install that. Got my driving lights I still want to install on the Integra behind the grill. Do a review on these detailing brushes that I got for Christmas. And overall, I just got a lot of little ideas I want to do to this car. Maybe do some of the body work this summer, because I want to learn how to get some of the bigger dents out. Also, just refresh the suspension. If I can get rid of these eBay springs, that'd be cool. If not, just get all new bushings for the front, tie rods, all that to make the car just handle a lot better and be a lot safer. So, one last look if you're new to this channel. Right now, also, one of my plans during the wintertime is to clean out this bay. So that's what I've been working on. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, comment any questions you have about my project, or just what you think about the MPC Honda Street Garage shift knob. Also, thank you for watching, and hopefully everyone has a great 2020. Until next time, peace out.